you don't have any counterparty risk.
And you're betting on the government, not the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So anything over 250, that's probably the smart play when you have.
All the super super smart guys that I know, that's exactly what they do.
I'm gonna look
Even
into
if
this,
they're
man.
below 250, they do that? Or
No, I'm talking about the Kenny types.
okay, gotcha,
Where
gotcha.
where that would really apply.
Yeah, because for that, like you need a bunch of money sitting in an account because things need to get fixed, mortgages need to be paid, etc. If you got debt on some of the properties, so yeah, I mean,
with Kenny, I mean, he's got someone managing that.
Of course,
he's got someone managing that cash flow for him.
Yeah.
So that's their job. But with someone that even wasn't at that level, it's not that labor intensive. If you're not running a $2 billion multifamily portfolio.
Yeah. We could hit some of these chats real fast, guys.
That's some good stuff,
as
though.
you can see here, expert in the house. So if you guys got questions, now's your time to get them in.
Because typically,
when
what
it
do we
comes to
hear?
money.
Put money into crypto. But this is different because it's backed by the government.
Yeah, safe. It's safe.
Or safer.
Yeah, I mean, look, your expenses are not denominated in crypto.